Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Xbox One controller to your iPhone or iPad. It's going to be the exact same for both methods. In today's video, I'm going to be using an iPhone. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing we want to do is grab our Xbox controller. We're going to be turning it on and we're going to be putting it in pairing mode by using this button here on the top left. Pressing and holding it until you get a rapid flashing on your Xbox controller. Once this is done, it's currently in pairing mode. From here, we're going to be opening up the control panel on our iPhone. We're then going to be looking for our Bluetooth module here. We're going to press and hold this option. We're going to be clicking on the Bluetooth settings. And here we're going to wait for this to open. We're then going to be looking for the other devices option here. We're going to be clicking on our Xbox controller. It should appear. It will then take a couple of seconds. We'll eventually see this pop up here to pair. We're going to be clicking the pair option. And then we're going to have to wait a few more seconds and our controller should connect to our iPhone. We'll know it's successful if it stops flashing and we see a full solid controller here. Now I'm going to be opening up a PSP emulator to test this out, but feel free to test it in any game or application that you would like. But here you can see that I can currently move around directly. All my buttons will work. And just like that, you can set up and use an Xbox controller on your iPhone. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like. If you want to suggest any other videos I should make in the future, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. Until next time, guys, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.